Since Square One is an insurance provider, we get a lot of questions from clients asking if their drones are covered under home insurance, or if they have liability protection should they accidentally harm someone. Today, we'll be covering everything you need to know about home insurance and drones, including what's covered, how you can protect yourself, rules around flying, and more. So let's jump right in. A drone is basically an unmanned aircraft, sometimes called an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV. It can be operated remotely, or you can fly it autonomously by an onboard computer. So years ago, drones used to be operated only by the military, but now they're used for all sorts of practical applications, like search and rescue operations, monitoring traffic, fighting fires, and even casual photography. So in Canada, there are rules surrounding the ownership and operation of drones, as improper use can be dangerous and can put others' lives at risk, especially if you have a high-end drone. So while it's legal to own a drone, there are some details you need to be aware of. For example, if the drone weighs more than 250 grams and up to 25 kilograms, you need to obtain a drone pilot certificate before you can even operate the drone. And if the drone weighs less than 250 grams and is used for recreational purposes only, you don't need Transport Canada's permission, but you do need to follow the law and to learn how to fly the drone safely. And if you use it for commercial purposes and the drone weighs over 25 kilograms, there could be other rules and regulations you need to follow, so be sure to check on the Transport of Canada's website. And to make it easy, we included a link in the description so you can head over to their website now if you'd like. Well, to put it shortly, maybe, depending on your home insurance provider. If your drone is considered an aircraft, your home insurance will not cover it. That means you'll have no coverage if your drone is lost, stolen, or damaged. And an even more important consideration is that you'll have no insurance for liability while operating the drone. So if your drone damages someone else's property, your insurance will not cover it. Or if it injures another person and you are sued for their injuries, your home insurance will not be able to assist you in any way. At Square One, we know that people are going to buy drones and they want coverage. So if your drone is 2 kilograms or less and you operate it following the laws and regulations, recreational drones could be covered under your personal property and personal liability. To operate your drone safely, Transport Canada outlines some of the safety guidelines you should follow, especially if this is your first time flying a drone. Fly your drone only during daylight and in good weather. Keep your drone in eyesight, where you can see it with your own 2 eyes, not only just your onboard camera or monitor. Make sure your drone is safe for flight. Ask yourself, are the batteries fully charged? Is it too cold to fly? Or are there other limits to the drone that you need to consider before flying? You need to respect the privacy of others. Avoid flying over private property or taking photos or videos without people's permission. Transport Canada also lists some items that you need to avoid when flying your drone. You'll need to avoid flying closer than 9 kilometers to any airport, helicopter, or aerodrome. Avoid going higher than 90 meters above the ground. Don't go closer than 150 meters from people, animal, or buildings and other structures. Do not fly in populated areas or near large groups of people where there's sporting events, concerts, or festivals. Avoid flying near moving vehicles, highways, and other bridges. Avoid flying within restricted and controlled airspace, including near or over military bases and prisons. So if you follow these guidelines of safe drone operation, this will allow you to have fun and avoid any costly fines and penalties. Well, we highly recommend talking to your home insurance provider to see if coverage is available under your policy. As mentioned previously, home insurance policies normally exclude any coverage related to aircraft and drones. You may want to contact a commercial insurance broker if you use your drone for any business-related purposes like drone photography. They'll be able to give you a clear understanding if you need any extra insurance coverage for that venture. So now that you know how you can properly insure your new drone, and if you're looking for a home insurance quote to protect your new drone, you can head over to squareoneinsurance.com. So thanks for watching, and you can learn about other insurance coverages here.